Big news for undocumented immigrants in Texas and the rest of the country tonight.
A federal judge has temporarily blocked key provisions of the state's anti-sanctuary cities law, also known as SB 4.
Meanwhile, Fox News is reporting President Trump will likely announce the end of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program tomorrow.
Fox's Jennifer Kendall joins us live at the state capitol with more. Jennifer.
Mike, Rebecca, several law enforcement agencies, especially here in Central Texas, spoke out against SB 4 while it was being debated in the legislature. After it passed and was signed into law, some cities, like Austin, filed a lawsuit to block that law. Yesterday, a federal court handed down their decision on that lawsuit.
The judge's decision of SB 4.
A federal court judge in San Antonio granted an injunction temporarily blocking several parts of SB 4, also called the Anti-Sanctuary Cities Law.
It was a 99-page decision. He carefully analyzed every possible constitutional violation.
We still know that there's portions of SB 4 that are still there, and so our community continues to be committed to fight against SB 4 in its totality.
SB 4 opponents have dubbed it the Show Me Your Papers law because it allows police officers to ask immigration status during a detention prior to an arrest.
The judge left that part of SB 4, standing. So they can still make that inquiry, okay? They just can't act on it.
That means the person detained will not have to answer what their status is, and officers cannot arrest a person just for being undocumented. However, other parts of the law which punished authorities who criticize SB 4 will not go into effect.
It didn't penalize people who advocated against sanctuary cities. It only penalized people who advocated for sanctuary cities. So based on a First Amendment violation of free speech, it was clearly a violation.
SB 4 also required jails to hold individuals at ICE's request. That part of the law has been blocked for now.
The Immigration Service can get off their butts and they can go march down and get a probable cause affidavit from a magistrate. There's magistrates available all the time to sign probable cause affidavits if they want to charge them with a crime.
Governor Greg Abbott released this statement following Wednesday's ruling. Quote, "Today's decision makes Texas's communities less safe. Because of this ruling, gang members and dangerous criminals like those who have been released by the Travis County Sheriff will be set free to prey upon our communities."
This is not about public safety. This is about how do you terrorize folks? How do you make sure that you actually criminalize them so that you can definitely deport them?
Abbott says he will appeal the federal judge's ruling. This afternoon, Fox News reported that the president will likely announce an end to the DACA program. That announcement expected to come tomorrow. It will affect 800,000 people who have been granted protection from deportation. Fox says the president will likely allow people to stay here until their work permits expire. For some people, that could be up to 2 years from now. Back to you in the studio.